Give to mama. Oh, okay, thank you.
Ambil sayang, ambil. Okay. Give it back.
You want it back? Oh, okay, you want it back. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, you want mama to? Oh, no? Okay.
Nah, dikasih.
Oh no. Okay, that's it. You can't have this anymore. But it's foul. Nggak boleh ya. Mama will wash it for you. Mama will wash it for you first, and you'll get a new one.
Sit there.
I wanna eat your food.
Do the exchange. Langsung ambil.
Thank you.
Give it back. He's gonna give it back to you again.
Give it back to mama. Thank you, honey. You are just so generous. Mama is just so proud of your generosity. Okay, now you're asking for it back.
Give it back again.
Yes. Okay.
Give it back again.
Thank you, baby Arabelle. Thank you. Now, do you want it back? Do you want it back? Okay. You are just too cute. Okay.
Give it back again.
Okay, that's it. I need to take care of her food.
Alright.